Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Muscoy, local and long-distance movers near me. Our crew of qualified movers can ensure your long-distance move goes effortlessly. We help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,500 miles. Moving isn't very easy. However, using our right moving services can certainly make it so much easier. We take care of all of the needed moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Working with a local California moving company could seem unnecessary. Initially, a local moving company provides many benefits which can help make it well worth the cost. Any respectable moving company will certainly help you save time on your local move. It will also prevent you from having to do any of the heavy lifting. Our moving team will make it simple to reach your new location without having nearly as much worry. If you prefer a streamlined moving day, 3 Movers is the best decision for you. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can deal with in one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Muscoy moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.